This is a method that I feel will gain more awareness for the single that you really want to push, or for the series of singles that you want to push for your new album or EP or project that's coming out. And the terminology is called waterfalling the album or the single or whatever. The tool that we're going to use to get this done is DistroKid. So check this out. We're going to release our first single. DistroKid is the only tool that I know of so far that will allow you to reuse a single on the next album or next double single or maxi single type of situation. Once we release this first single, we're going to get an ISRC and all the codes we need to lock this one in place in our DistroKid account. From there, we're going to release the next single, and we're going to put the first single underneath the new single. So we got the new single and the old single. After that, we're going to do it again. Maybe we're going to remix the project, and we'll remix both of them, and we'll put the original two there, and we'll put the two new remixes on top, utilizing the same exact song in our DistroKid database with the same exact codes. This will allow people to listen to the first one, the second one, and the third and the fourth, and it will go in line, and it will increase the spins for the same record. This gets more spins on the same record, which therefore increases awareness and allows Spotify to pick it up for their playlist and other people who will listen to it for theirs, and yada, 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 on and on and on. DistroKid does a really great job of this. All of this increases the spins for the original record, and it's not the end of the world if you don't do this. This is just a really cool method of promoting a single that I feel that you all should know about if you don't already know about it already. And no, this isn't an ad for DistroKid, all right? You all know personally how I feel about DistroKid, but DistroKid does have some really good features. Obviously, you're going to get some more money with this, so you're going to beat the house and get your more money, your more power, and your more respect on top of all of this. Release those first singles, create those second and third single or maxi single or A and B side single packs, and get it going, baby, because if you make music, you should make money. Follow for more music business tips.